So now let's see how we can work around with the yellow section sculpting brush tools inside of Blender. So to work around with the yellow section, I'm going to go on to the left side, and here you can see that I'm already in my sculpting mode. If I were to go around onto the left side, there's the multi-plane scrape. And if I were to click and drag this, this is what you have. So you can see that there's a multi-plane scrape that's going on, which actually scrapes things around over here. I can increase the radius right here, click and drag this around, and then there's like hardness, which I can control as well to create something like a mountain plane, as you can see. So I can really add in details like a mountain plane by using this method right here. So another thing you have is the pinch, which you can use to pinch out things. And for all of it, you can go around onto this section to change around the radius and so forth. So it actually works around this like that. And then you have the grab, which allows you to grab these things outside right here to add in a bit of details onto the object. And then you have the elastic deform right here. You can click and drag this. You can click and drag this right here and pull it out like an elastic. And then you have the snake hook just like this. So you can go around, click and drag this around right here. And that's the snake hook. Then you have the thumb, click and drag this around, and there you go. So it's like pushing out the objects with the thumb. Then you have the pose right here, which allows you to change the angle of a particular section just like this. So I can increase out the radius, click and drag this out right here. Click and drag this out right here. Then you have the nudge, which you can use to nudge things around right here, just like thumb, but a bit more bigger right here. So you can push this out and change the shape of it. If you have to scroll down, you got other option like rotate, which exactly does what it says. It rotates around a particular section just like this. And then you have the side relax right here, which allows you to relax things just like this. So you can go around, make it more relaxed, make it much more smoother. Then you have the boundary right here, so you can increase around to make things smooth and then change around the boundary of the object. And I can see that you can really change around how the overall object is by using this. So what you have to do is you have to experiment around with the tools to see how each of them work so that you can exactly work around with the sculpting as per what you like. And that is how you can work around with the yellow section of sculpting brush tools inside of Blender. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.